Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is my Stanley scraper. It's a window scraper by Stanley. It is a really neat tool. I love it because, first of all, it's ergonomic. The shape helps you to grip the plastic very nicely while you're scraping. Now, this is a window scraper to scrape paint off of windows. So if you've did a paint job, a trim job around your windows, you can scrape nice and neat. But it also comes in handy for jobs like this. Now, I'm redoing my kitchen cabinets, and watch how easily this scraper scrapes the paint off. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. It's such a cool gadget. It allows me to get the paint off of the cabinets without any worries whatsoever. 1, 2, 3. I love this little scraper. It comes with a razor blade that's easily able to come out so you can replace it. It comes with also a protective cap. It is a nice tool to have around when you're doing jobs like this. It's very small. It's about the size of a salad fork, no bigger than that. Fits really good in your hand and works really, really well. I really love this window scraper by Stanley. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.